one that we have? Who am I? Okay. Now, where from does this question come to your mind? Who am I? From where does this question come to your mind? Honestly, very honestly.
To discover the idea through an ideal practical life.
आया कहाँ से? इस सेमेस्टर से पहले कितने लोगों के मन में ये सवाल था? Who am I? If I'm not mistaken, आपके maybe there are few more. We can conceive that is we have say 70 of you sitting here. Then maybe not one, maybe two, maybe five, maybe seven of you had this question. Who am I? Even that makes for only 10% of us, right? Today, this question, who am I, sounds familiar to all of us, right? Now, from where is this who am I phrase coming? कहाँ से आ रहा है आपके दिमाग में? ये आपकी एक्टिविटी है जो आपने HIDP में करी है, am I right? ये एक्टिविटी ना करी होती तो ये who am I भी आपके दिमाग में नहीं आता। Are we together? Are we together? बिल्कुल ध्यान से सुनिएगा, बिल्कुल समझ पाएंगे। Who am I सवाल किसके बारे में है? मेरे बारे में। पर आ कहां से रहा है? सवाल किसके बारे में है? और आया कहां से? वहां से आया। आपके मन में स्वतः तो नहीं जन्मा था ना? It didn't occur on its own, did it? It didn't. It came into your mind as a result of external influences. Now, had HIDP not had this particular session, most of you would not have been asking who am I? Am I right? अगर वो particular session नहीं हुआ होता, या मान लीजिए वो particular session आपने मिस कर दिया, उससे आप absent थे, तो फिर ये सवाल आप पूछ ही नहीं रहे होते who am I? 90% लोग नहीं पूछ रहे होते कम से कम, am I right? मतलब ये कि मेरे ही बारे में भले ही हो, पर बात बाहर से आ रही है। Isn't it a little funny? बात किसके बारे में है? मेरे बारे में है। और आ कहां से रही है? बाहर से रही है, राइट? आई के बारे में हमारा जो भी कुछ जानना है, whatever we think about this thing called I, is necessarily coming from the outside. Is necessarily coming from the outside. So much so that even the question who am I is coming from outside. Just write this down. All my perceptions about this I are coming from the outside. Can somebody get in the pen, please? All my perceptions about the I are coming from the outside. So much so that even the question who am I, so much so that even the question who am I comes from the outside. You may add as a footnote, this is seriously funny. Write down with a star. This is seriously funny. Travel a few more steps with me, then I take the question. Now, what do I know about the I? What do I know about the I? We have already had a beginning where we are seeing that this question, who am I itself, is coming from outside. What else do we know about the I? I am Deepak, or I am Rekha, or I am Hussain, or I am a budding professional. You decided that your name must be Rekha or Mukesh. How many of you decided your own name? How many of you here decided on your own name? Alright. I am a Hindu, a Christian, a Muslim. How many of you here chose your religion? How many of you here chose your religion? So your name is coming from Your religion again is coming from. How many of you chose your gender? Girls are so cute. I am born a girl. How many of you did that? Your gender is coming from. Your gender is coming from. Sir, you decided your gender? You didn't. So it's coming from outside. Outside means anything that you are not. Outside means any factor that is external to you, that you are not. All of these are coming from outside. Do you see this? Just as a question, who am I is coming from outside. Everything that you think of as I is also coming from outside. The first few cells that made your body came from outside, one from your father, one from your mother. The rest of your body is again coming from outside. Food, air, water. All that are, those are external things that have made up this body. That is now 50 kilograms, 80 kilograms, whatever. That much of external stuff. The first two cells are external, and after that whatever is coming, that is also external. आई को आपने जो भी जानना है, आप आई को जितना भी कह सकते हैं, वो सब बाहर से ही आया हुआ है. I challenge us, I challenge each one of us to give me a single statement about your I, which is independent of any external factors. Can we do that? Can we do that? Try at least. This I, which is so dear to us, that we keep clinging to day in and day out. Is there anything in this which is really ours? Is not all of it coming from outside? I'm not asserting, I'm asking you.
Sir, our thoughts.
Your thoughts. Your thoughts. Your thoughts are yours? Alright. Then please think of Mika Tushu. You said, what's her name?
Raghav Mishra.
Raghav, then we think of, what did I say? Mika Tushu. Think of Mika Tushu. Think of Mika Tushu. Now what is this? Well, think of roti. Why couldn't you think of Mika Tushu and why could you think of roti? Because roti is there in your past. It's an experience coming from outside. And if that outside experience is not there, you raise your hands. मेरे को क्या पता? Mika Tushu आपके पास में नहीं है, तो आप उसका थॉट भी नहीं ला सकते. जो आपके पास में नहीं है, उसके बारे में सोच भी नहीं सकते. Am I right? Mika Tushu is not a part of your past, and hence it cannot be a part of your thoughts. जो तुम्हारे thoughts से वो तो बाहर से ही आ रहे हैं ना.
So that's the rule of nature, sir. Everything is dependent on something.
The question who am I cannot be answered in affirmative. Who am I? I am X or Y or A or B or C. Who am I can only be answered in a negative way. That this is not what I am. This is not what I am. This too is not what I am. This too is not what I am. And answering who am I in this way is what is called neti neti. Not this, not this. मैं ये भी नहीं, मैं ये भी नहीं. ये सब बाहरी चीजें हैं, ये मैं नहीं हूँ. ये मैं नहीं हूँ. This is what is called neti neti. Now this in some way throws light on both these questions together. आपने जो पहले सवाल लिखाए थे, who am I और neti neti, and both are very intricately connected to each other. Because exploring who am I is the process of neti neti. To explore who am I is to explore the falseness of all that we believe in. To explore the falseness of all our identities. Take an example. You have had 17 years of education. All of you have had 17, 15 years of education. You must be 18 or 20. You have studied Hindi, English, geography, history, social sciences, physics, chemistry, mathematics, and non-technology, right? This is what you have been studying. But are you the alphabet? Are you Kakala? Are you the rivers and the valleys and mountains that you studied in geography? Are you the battles that Akbar and Ashok fought? Are you? Are you Maxwell's equations, Coulomb's law, Doppler's effect, simple harmonic motion, swinging pendulum? All of these are external things, right? All of these are external things. और आपकी परवरिश पूरी एजुकेशन ऐसी हुई है कि वो लगातार एक्सटर्नल चीजों से आपके दिमाग को भरती रही है. This HIDP will probably be the first time in your life that you are undergoing a course that takes you to yourself rather than taking you to some other object. You come, today we will study about the society, about Newton, about Einstein and what they said. They are very important. We must study about them. You are not important. अपनी ओर देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. समाज क्या कह रहा है उसकी ओर देखो. दूसरे बड़े-बड़े लोग क्या कह रहे हैं उनकी बात सुनो, उनकी किताबें पढ़ो. अपनी ओर देखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. The net result of such education and such upbringing, where you are constantly being told to look at others, and what can you do? You are a kid. छोटे से थे तब से ऐसे ही होना, you are helpless. और ये सब कुछ हो गया आपके साथ, और लगातार होता भी जा रहा है. Then the result of all of that is a strong sense of identification with the external and no awareness of internal. We are different from a fan or a computer in a sense that we can understand what is going on. We can understand what is going on. We can really know what is going on. Our capacity for intelligent response, only that comes close to answering the question, who am I? पर वो आंसर कोई सब्सटेंशियल, कोई मटीरियल आंसर नहीं है कि कहें कि मुझे आंसर पता चल गया. Who am I? I am the capacity for intelligent response. अब आप फंस गए. ये बात समझ में आ रही है? What is it? मेरा जो है 99% जो कुछ मैं अपने आप को जानता हूँ सब बाहर से आया है. वो तो मैं नहीं हो सकता. सिर्फ एक मुझ में ऐसी चीज है जो बाहर से नहीं आई है, और वो भी मैं कभी कभार ही देख पाता हूँ क्योंकि मेरी जिंदगी कुछ अजीब तरीके की है. Which is my capacity to understand. This understanding happens right down only in the environment of attention. Understanding happens only in an environment of attention.